Hi, I'm Miss Lavoti, and I'm here today with a very important public service announcement on how we can keep our brushes in better condition for the art room for all art students. Let's take a look at what kind of shape our brushes are in right now. Oh look, here are some upside down paintbrushes. When returning paintbrushes, please always put them with the bristles facing upwards. It's really not too hard to do, and it saves the brushes. This brush wasn't put away correctly or washed well, and it's not in great condition anymore. You can see that it's bent and frayed. This makes it harder for other students to use it. All right, let's take a look at this one. Ay, look at that. It's definitely bent and curving because of how it was put away. All right, this brush looks okay, but yikes, it is way too hard. That means paint or matte medium must have dried on it. This brush got frayed out, likely from putting a lot of pressure on it when painting. You really don't have to stamp down too hard on a paintbrush. It can ruin its shape. These brushes look like me at the end of the day. Yikes. Oh, this looks like a nice brush. Oh wait, it doesn't even have any bristles anymore. Okay, so here are some tips. When painting, try not to overdunk your paintbrush in the first place. Paint shouldn't come all the way up to the metal ferrule. You do not have to overdunk. Only dunk the tip of the brush and redunk as needed while painting. The amount of paint on your brush plus the pressure you put on the brush will equal the kind of line you get. If you're trying to get detailed work, this is not going to give you a lot of control. Plus, now all of that paint by the metal ferrule is going to dry and wedge in between the bristles, making it harder to clean and destroying the brush. Less paint only on the point of the brush plus lighter pressure gives you more control on the size of the line you need so you can get detailed. Please, while you're working, don't leave brushes that have wet paint on them sitting around on your table. This causes the paint to start drying on the brush immediately. Always keep your paintbrushes in a water cup and cycle through them as needed. In conclusion, let's make sure we work together to clean and use our paintbrushes properly so that all art students can benefit from having nicer brushes to work with. Thank you!